Want to earn extra money online in 2025? Today we'll reveal the top 5 online side hustles you can start from home and start earning real income fast. From freelancing to creating digital products, the online world is full of opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustles to start this year. Side hustle number 1 is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer skills like graphic design, writing, or programming. Start by creating a strong profile and offering your services globally. Side hustle number 2 is affiliate marketing. Promote products on social media, YouTube, or blogs, and earn a commission for every sale. Start by choosing a niche and joining trusted affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Side hustle number 3 is creating online courses and digital products. If you're skilled in a topic, create courses, ebooks, or templates, and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. This generates passive income while you sleep. Side hustle number 4 is print on demand. Design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, then sell them online without holding inventory. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle printing and shipping. Side hustle number 5 is YouTube and short-form content creation. Share your knowledge, tips, or entertainment content. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Focus on trending topics and consistent uploads to grow your channel. To recap, the top 5 online side hustles in 2025 are freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses and digital products, print on demand, and YouTube or short-form content. Start with one, stay consistent, and watch your online income grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips.